So it's very simple. What you have to do is just to go to your folder where you have your videos and just select your video or your videos. You can hold Control to select multiple videos and then just grab it and drag it into your media pool right over here. If you don't see media pool, just make sure you click on media pool. And now we have our media pool. We have our video here. Just grab our video, drag it. Now here we have one video. If you want to move your video and is moving both of your video and your audio, that's something that you don't want, just make sure you uncheck linked selection here. And now you can delete the audio because I don't want to have the audio here. Now if you want to overlap this video, overlay this video on top of another video, if you want to have two videos here, you can simply grab the other video you have or the same video, or you can also just crop the first video we paste here, we moved here, we can go B, cut, A to select, and backspace to delete, or don't delete, just overlay, move it. Now as you can see here, we have video 1, video 2. First video, video 1 is beneath the video 2 we have here, and video 2 is above video 1. And we can see that by simply click on here, and if we zoom out, we have this video here. And maybe you want to move them. If you want to move the video much faster than using this, you can click on here. And now we can move them here. And the next one, the other one. So make sure you select the other one. And then the other one, you can move it here. And we can zoom out. We have the video here. And now we have two videos overlapping and playing at the same time. I really hope, guys, you found this tutorial helpful. Please, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate and leave your questions down below. And I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.